One of the reasons why entrepreneurs and creatives are often at high risk of burnout and stress is that what drives them are things they're really passionate about. If you're starting a business or building one, or if you're doing a creative project like making films or painting or writing a book, these are things you really love and want to do. But as an entrepreneur or creative, you also want to have a life. And you are often having to make choices between spending time with your friends versus doing the things you love. And of course, you love your friends. This means that many times you will sacrifice sleep, you will work incredibly long hours, which of course over time will drain you. And that's where the grid tool can really help. Because with the grid, we'll be able to organize your entire life and the things you need to do so that there are no more trade-offs. You'll be able to sleep better, achieve the things you want to do, be creative, and also be there for the things that you also love in your life.